With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A box contains X red balls and 10 black balls. 3 balls are drawn one by one without replacement. This is important. They are drawn without replacement. If the probability of choosing 3 red balls is equal to probability of choosing 2 red balls and 1 black ball, then possible value of x can be. Now see, we need to find the possible value of x when we have drawn three red balls and probability of drawing that 3 red ball is equal to probability of drawing 2 red balls and 1 black ball when we have x red balls and 10 black balls. Now see, let us consider that we draw a red ball in first attempt. Probability of drawing red ball in first attempt will be x divided by, because in total we have x red balls and in total we have x plus 10 balls, therefore probability will be x divided by x plus 10. This is what we get. Now probability of drawing second red ball will be x minus 1, because we will left with x minus 1 red ball because we are drawing without replacement. Therefore in total there will be x minus 1 after drawing red ball from first attempt, x minus 1 divided by total number of ball will be x plus 9. Similarly, probability of drawing third red ball will be x minus 2 divided by x plus 8 ball. Now see, this probability is equal to probability of choosing 2 red ball and 1 black ball. This is given. Therefore, let us consider that probability also. Probability of choosing 2 red balls. Now let us consider that we choose a red ball in first attempt. Probability of choosing red ball in first attempt will be x divided by x plus 10, simply x plus 10. Probability of choosing second red ball will be x minus 1 divided by x plus 9. This will be probability of choosing second red ball. Now probability of choosing one black ball will be, it will be simply 10 divided by x plus 8, because we have 10 black balls and we are left with x plus 8 balls. Now this is what we get. Now see this condition. We have drawn black ball in third attempt. Now see, white can take second position and first position also. Therefore we need to multiply this by 3. Now see, this is not in this case drawing 3 balls, because all the balls are similar. Therefore we need not to multiply it by any number. Now see, if this is the case, then we can say that we can cancel this term with this term, and we can cancel this term completely with this term, and we can cancel this x plus 8 and this x plus 8 from both the side. Now we will left with x minus 2, and this will be equal to 10 into 3, which is equal to 30. From this we can say that x is equal to 32. Therefore x is equal to 32 is a possible value of x, which is option 2. Therefore option 2 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.